What is PhaZe? PhaZe is a complete body odor system that eliminates as much human odor as possible. And there's multiple phases to the PhaZe system. Phase 2, it's all about the gear. The Phase 2 laundry detergent will impregnate your clothes so that you have the Z technology capturing those odor molecules and surrounding them so they're rendered useless to an animal's nose. The H2 odor sponge goes inside your boots, inside your gear bag, and it absorbs moisture that keeps bacteria from growing. It also absorbs odor molecules. So Phase 2 for your bag and for your boots and for your clothing. Then you have the gear cleaner, which you can wash your gear, rinse your gear, let it dry to neutralize and remove all those human odors. Phase 2 is an extremely important element when it comes to removing the human odor from all of your gear.